Excuse me. Hello each and everyone. Really, I really be sorry for our last message, but we get very important message today. Oh my God, we get very important message today for really talk about. I really be sorry for our last message last time. We're not be complete the message, but I promise you now we will complete that message. So till we'll get to talk and today now. How to know if he or she really loves you. Now, a very big topic. So many of us will fall for lost relationship. We fall for lost relationship. We fall for lost relationship. We need green. We need sweet. Mr. Dav, welcome to the show. Bless, welcome to the show. I welcome all now. I thank you so much because now don't support me for. It's very good. So I really appreciate. So I'll start with the guys. If you want to know, say a man truly loves you, the first thing I say, it could include you for your life affairs, for your own personal life affairs. It could always include you for and always ask for your opinion when you want to do something. Now one of the point in that. So you see, if you get man, you know value you, they put you for a life affair. That means say either marry you, because if you want married you or it gets intention for you, he could put you for a life affair and he could always ask for your opinion when he want to do something. So now one of the challenges in that way would be mostly our face. That one at one point for no say man not like you. So the second point, it will show you by his word, and even when in your presence or back of you, you will notice and say this man like you. What I mean for talk now say, you can always talk positive things about you. You could tell your friends them positive things about you. It could introduce you for important people that matters to your life. And another thing, some boy who can take you, show you for your friends them. Then your friends they call you our wife. If you say he love you. Frida, my sister, thank you. Welcome to the show. So now that's one of the point in that. Uncle Emmanuel. I'm glad to see you for this show, my brother. So now another point that the third point is he will always be proud of you. He will be proud of you in what sense? He will always tell you important things. He will tell you life. What you want them. May you happy. He will seek for your opinion. So he will always tell you important things. What you want them to do, and you will always be there beside you. It will show you a naughty attitude. You know, always be shy around you. That one a person will eat think future. You know, if you hide the identity for you because say you get for take it for who will it be. Then the fourth point is you will always pay attention all the way for the way they act around you naturally. This one they so need the bargain with them. Man picking no the hide. Man picking this kind person way. If he gets a future, we woman the way maybe we take love cover the shadow. But man picking no the hide for sure. He reserve say he love you because you go know. Be that kind person way you cook. He will tell you, if man begins to tell you, say, wait, don't cook. He tells you, wow, this food is so nice. The man will come marry you. What do you mean? The man will come marry you will really enjoy you. Or you one guy don't do some house chores, you don't take care for your needs. You can say, wow, I really like the way you treat me. The man will come marry you. It indirectly tell you, say you and you will not get future. Now what you don't try to tell you, will not get future. So why you keep the relationship? Or if he compare you with some other girl, he could tell you, oh, me man not use you like a priority. Me man use you like a priority, not an option. See, as you see me so, some girls are there for this side, some girls are there for this side, they wish forget me. You didn't make anyhow. You get to be a first priority. You don't get to be an option for that man in life. Priority. You get to be a first priority. Because if person love you, it put you first in anything where it do. So not gonna be option for some person in life. Now another point that, and the fifth point, that it could support you. Support you in what sense? If he support you, if you not get money, if he support you either financially or he support you physically. Like he could tell you, well, mom, if you find say me, you go do this course. Mom, if you fancy me, you try this business. Mom, if you fancy me, you do this thing. It could always program you in future. It could talk about you in future. I could so many positive things about you. It could, because you know the things it gets on other relationship. You know, say no matter what you get to build with it, when you and you now get to build tie the bond together, because no now one man the tie bond, now two people the tie bond together. So that one a case for man picking. I don't want to make this talk me long. I want just cut down the talk. Then we go for woman. We go for understand say we woman, the woman they like a mother. Women were born with a golden heart and a soft heart. Woman they like a mother. If you want to know say woman love you, that he could care for you, he could take care of you like a newborn baby, he could treat you like a king. Yes, he could treat you like a king. He could always ask. He could advise you. He could always see into your needs. You know, just be, when you talk something, he be arrogant or he be aggressive. When that woman loves you, he could treat you like a king. Even pamper you like a baby. They are good in that. Well, sorry, if anybody want to call, I beg if you call after the show. Thanks for understanding. So now wait that woman be capable for doing. Then woman, if woman love you, he no could cheat on you. He no could cheat on you. He could make sure say all waiting to the same for outside. He could implement them for inside your home. Because woman are a home builder. Woman will build a home perfectly. And if it is scattered that home, that is who a woman is. So if it make you grow and if you want to achieve all these things, you get to be one prayerful, you get to put God first. If you marry a prayerful woman, you will make a successful home. Because if you put God first, all things that could be successful. So another thing for woman, when woman love you, it could bring your family matters on the table. It could ask about your family matter. That one goes to as well for man picking. If man picking, a relationship is not a secret. Any relationship where it be a secret, there is no love in that relationship. Cut the relationship off. Because when we are married, we are picking no go there for secret. That marriage ceremony no go there for secret. It could be in the open. So if any man keep a sacred relationship, meaning he or she does not love you, it is very, very clear. If man love you, he could show you. If the woman love you, he could introduce you for important people, which is either a pastor, either a mentor, either a family. He could introduce you. That one goes same for man picking. If man picking love you, he could introduce you for a family. If una dey get me clearly, abeg una notify. Una give a thumb up or una give okay, the sound is clear. Abeg. And abeg una share the video. Maybe some other people go dey for some time they would like to get this important information. Una click like and share button. So I don't get plenty for talk. I don't really get plenty for talk. I just think say maybe the little one know about a relationship, man can share am for you. And if anybody get question for ask am, make send me message or I will read the comment there. If any other question I will respond to the comment there. And if anybody get a pertinent question or a personal question, may inbox me for my. So this one na mama blessing, na im be talk. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody. I appreciate your time. I appreciate everything. I appreciate your sacrifice. I thank you so much. Stay blessed.